Welcome back to our series on the dark web. In today's video, we'll discuss how to access the dark web safely, the mistakes people commonly make, and whether it's legal or illegal. Stay tuned until the end, as it's crucial for your safety.
Today we're diving deep into accessing the dark web safely and understanding why you should approach it with extreme caution. First, let's address a common question. Is accessing the dark web legal or illegal? The legality of visiting the dark web depends on your intentions. If you're using it for legitimate purposes like privacy protection or research, it's generally legal. However, engaging in illegal activities, such as purchasing illicit goods or services, is obviously illegal. The dark web has a reputation for hosting illegal activities, but it also has legitimate uses, though they are quite rare. Many people use it for ethical purposes, but the majority of activity is for illegal purposes. Always remember, if you're planning to visit the dark web, consider your intentions carefully. Now, if you're determined to explore the dark web, here's how to do it safely. Use a reliable VPN. Before accessing the dark web, it's crucial to use a VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address, enhancing your anonymity. Opt for a reputable VPN service. Paid options like NordVPN or ExpressVPN are preferable, but free VPNs can also provide basic protection. Download and install Tor browser. Tor browser is essential for accessing the dark web. It anonymizes your browsing by routing your connection through multiple servers. Download Tor browser from the official Tor project website to ensure you're getting the legitimate version. Configure your browser settings. Adjust the Tor browser's security settings to Safest for better protection against potential threats. Change your IP address. Changing your IP address adds an additional layer of anonymity. Your IP address reveals your geographical location and can be exploited by hackers. Secure your device. Ensure your device has up-to-date antivirus software and is free from malware. Use anonymous email and cryptocurrency. For transactions or communications, use anonymous email services and cryptocurrencies. Be cautious of scams and verify the legitimacy of any service. Some important tips. Change your MAC address and proxy settings for additional anonymity. Your MAC address is a unique identifier for your device, and changing it can help protect your identity. Despite these precautions, many experts advise against visiting the dark web due to significant risks. Engaging in illegal activities on the dark web can lead to serious legal consequences, including arrest. The dark web is rife with scams and malware. Even with precautions, your information might still be at risk. The dark web hosts disturbing and potentially harmful content that can impact your mental health. The transcript highlights that the dark web is a disturbing and disgusting place. It can negatively impact your mental health and potentially get you into legal trouble. If you're curious, remember that engaging with such sites can be highly detrimental. In conclusion, while it's possible to access the dark web with the right precautions, the risks often outweigh the benefits. If you're curious, proceed with extreme caution and always prioritize your safety and legality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay safe and informed.